Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5, 4th generation. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and as you can see from this menu, you can add Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transfer Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. And now select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap OK, add to wallet, and it's done. In the end, let's select gift card, and similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap add to wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.